Greetings everyone, welcome once again to our channel. So today's episode is how to transform from 40 seconds man to 40 minutes and even more with just these ingredients. Believe me, you're just gonna be happy and your partner will be happy. So now let's just begin. First of all, guys, we will be needing pumpkin. Actually, this pumpkin, what we need is just the seed. So pumpkin seed are very useful for promoting men's fertility, and it also prevent prostate problem, rich in protein and zinc. The zinc play a vital role, guys, when it comes to love making. And not only that, guys, it will also help boost your God's gift. So guys, let's just keep doing it. Guys, the next thing now are mangoes. Mangoes are very beneficial because it contains vitamin E, which helps increase SP. When I mean SP, guys, you know what I'm talking about because of YouTube rules and regulation. I don't need to say it. SP mobility. The zinc in heat plays an important role for reproductive organs and hormones like estrogen and progesterone, and also increase sexual drive for both partner. So if you want to use mango, guys, make sure you go for the ripe one. It is very important. So now, guys, let's just keep doing it. So now I will just go ahead and slice the mango into smaller angles so that it will be easier for me to blend. So now let's just keep doing it, guys. So guys, the next thing now will be our ginger. Ginger is the most effective herbs when it comes to health issue. Ginger can also boost your energy and it can also increase your blood flow. Not only that, guys, if you are having anxiety anytime you are with your partner, ginger will help you get rid of it. So guys, let's just continue while I scrape my ginger. Please keep watching. After washing it, I will just go ahead and pieces it into smaller shades so that it will be easy for me to blend. So guys, keep on watching. Let's do this together. So guys, please, if you want to blend everything together, please don't just blend the mango and the seed and the ginger, everything together. First of all, you just have to separate it like the way I'm doing it right now. So first of all, we just go ahead and blend our pumpkin seed and ginger together with our cup of milk. If you don't want to use milk, you can also use water. There is no problem, but I just prefer to use milk. So guys, keep on washing. So now we need to blend. After that, we just go ahead and bring out the juice from the pumpkin seed. Actually, we don't need the seed, so the seed is of no use. So then we will just go ahead and throw away the seed. So the next thing we will do now is to pour back the juice into our blender and add our mango. So then we will just go ahead and blend everything together. So let's keep doing it, guys. So now our drink is ready to be taken. If you want to do this, please do it just the same way I did mine. 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass in the evening before you take your breakfast and before dinner. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. May God bless you. See you all in my next video and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.